Hi, I'm Tanner from Grote, and this is our new pizza topping slicer. In this video, I'll be giving a brief demonstration as well as showing some high-level function. This pendulum slicer is designed for high production volume with hole pattern slicing up to 12 inches with one stroke. It slices pepperoni, cheese, and meat logs for pizza toppings. It features a compact footprint and ergonomic design. This slicer is an alternative to the Peppamatic, which founded Grote over 50 years ago. So on this side of the machine, you can see our patented AccuBand blade system. This machine comes in 3 foiling configurations, and each lane has independent slice thickness and targeting controls, providing the greatest accuracy. The included platform provides easier ergonomic loading by one operator. A large HMI provides ease of operation with quick automatic recipe changes and thickness control per lane, and a new help function for operators and maintenance. Its full washdown sanitary design includes an open channel frame and solid tubing base.